the secret to reheat leftover is... Riccardo, vattene dalla mia cucina.
Get out of your kitchen, Mama. I haven't even done anything. Oh, Mama, the mailman was coming up as I was coming in. And you know what arrives today, your International Spoon magazine.
Oh, and it's called Spoons of the World.
Oh, you're right. Spoons of the world. I gotta hurry. Now I need a couple of more things. I'm gonna prepare my leftover specialty for the show today.
Riccardo, hai rubato le mie lasagne.
Mama, I didn't steal your lasagna. I just borrowed a little bit of it so I could show people how to make my leftover lasagna roll recipe.
Hai inventato una ricetta?
Yes, I invented a recipe for leftover lasagna.
Oh, you a genius. Be careful, you might get rich.
You really think so?
Not really.